Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Hell plus ho. Hell, ho. Doll plus E. Doll, E. Hello, Dolly. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Welcome aboard. Thank you, Gene. Let's welcome this man on my right. He's our new player. His name is Bob May.
Nice to meet you, Bob. I'm fine.
Yeah?
I'm rare.
Yeah, you've been watching Tony perform, right?
I have been watching Tony perform.
And are you ready to take him?
Absolutely.
Okay. Well, let me reintroduce him to our audience. In case you've missed this man to this point, he has won 4 vacations, super holidays, and a total of $21,818. So good luck today, Tony. You haven't won the car yet. If you get to the winner's circle, 55 seconds on the clock. If Bob gets to the winner's circle, only 35. You have to start with base time.
That's okay.
Let's go to work, gentlemen. Take a look over here. We'll show you one of the prizes in game 1.
4-4's award-winning Intermezzo soft suite of stemware, sleek design with cobalt blue teardrop elegantly suspended in the stem of each piece, furnished by Orfor's. Alex.
Elegantly suspended. I like that, Gene. Tony and Bob, take a look. We'll show you where the crystal is at number 7. Speaking of 7, $700 in the cash pot and a holiday in Bermuda. Ooh, indeed. You pick first, Bob.
We'll go with my mother's birthday. Let's try number 10 first, please.
An exercise
bike. I could use that. Let's go with number 18, please.
1-8, a diamond necklace there. No match. Tony.
The diamond necklace is really, really nice. Let's try to open it up under 22.
Bermuda.
Yes. Let's get a wild card or a match under 12, please.
Bermuda.
Yes! Oh, my gosh.
Bob, look at it this way. All it means is that you'll have to find one of the takes and grab the vacation away from him.
I forgot. I'm sorry.
Yes. Tony, take a look at the puzzle. Go again.
Let's try lucky number 7, please.
Crystal stemware.
Ooh, and I believe that crystal stemware was right next to it under 8.
No, but that's a wild card. I think the crystal stemware we showed you was at number 7. It's also at number 9. So you're going to see 3 pieces on the same line. How beneficial? How helpful? Let's find out. Whoa, gosh. Hello. Looks like Gene after a bad night.
Ogre of my heart.
It's an ogre of my heart. No, it is not. Go again, Tony.
Excuse me. Let's try number 6. Let's see what's in that corner.
Diamond necklace.
Oh, and that diamond necklace was, I believe, under 18.
Yes.
The necklace.
And he's lucky. But that's
very
all right.
lucky.
He's good and he's lucky, but he doesn't make too many mistakes. Open it up. Select.
Let's try the opposite side under 20.
Men's complete wardrobe.
I sure could use that. Let's try for a match or wild card right in the middle under 13.
Green take, no match. Bob, here's your chance.
Here's my chance. Let's try number 2, please.
Set of 5 radial tires.
Okay. Let's try for the natural match or a wild card number 16, please.
Green take. Tony?
Let's see if that takes under 13.
Green take.
And for insurance, let's go under number 16.
Number 16.
Right.
Works. Insurance. He doesn't have anything yet. Open it up. Can you solve this now, Bob?
Yes, I can.
Ooh, you can. Ooh. He may be saying that. He may be saying that, Tony, just to put a little added pressure on you.
Up.
Don't fold under pressure. Make a selection.
Let's open it up under 14, please.
Word processor.
Oh, that's awfully nice. Let's go in the corner underneath number 1.
exercise bike. No match. Bob's going to make a match.
Yes.
Can we look under number 10, please?
Exercise bike.
And the match under number 1.
That is a match. That gives me 1 prize only.
That does. I think I'm going to solve it.
Okay.
Can we?
Sure.
Is it Down and Out in Beverly Hills?
Yeah.
It's an early solution, and if it's right, it's a great solution. Down and Out in Beverly Hills.
Yeah.
Good job. Way to go. Good news is you won the game. The bad news is you only have 1 prize. But don't worry about it.
That's
You're
okay.
going to get to play for a new car. Break it down.
All right. I saw the arrow, so I was thinking down. This is a hand right here. We had the boxer knocked out. We have out. The hen in. Down and out in. Be plus
Fur.
Beverly and the Hills. Down and Out in Beverly Hills.
As I told Tony on yesterday's program, you don't have to be able to explain each individual symbol as long as you get the whole thing. As soon as you saw Down and Out, you figured, hey, what else can it be but Down and Out in Beverly Hills?
Give it a shot.
Yep. And Tony, you've been with us a number of days, and this is your first strike.
Sure
So you're going to play again, but you're going to have to work hard in game number 2. We'll see you in a bit. Right now, Bob, let's hear about this prize you've just won. No? He's got the exercise bicycle, and we don't want to talk about it because he's not in shape? Oh, I'm sorry about that. We'll be back. He'll try for a car after this. Every time I turn around, it throws him. All right. This is your first time up here?
First time.
Tony's been here many times. Your first time, so I'll run down the list of cars for you. On the bottom shelf, we've got the Volkswagen Jetta, followed by the Ford Probe, Mitsubishi Mirage, Toyota Corolla, Mercury Topaz, the Daihatsu Charade, the Pontiac Le Mans, and the Hyundai Excel. Got them all?
Cars.
They are beautiful. Yep. One of them could be yours.
I hope so.
Here are the 15 numbered squares you're going to be dealing with. You want to match 7 cars. You get to keep the last car you match within the time of 35 seconds. Here comes your clock. Go ahead.
1, 3,
No match.
4, 6,
No match.
7, 9,
Nope.
10, 12,
Yes.
13, 3,
No.
4, 15,
No.
5, 8,
No.
1, 9,
No.
13, 1,
Yes.
14, 9,
Yes.
15, 8,
No.
11, 5.
With base time, whenever a contestant misses making 1 match or 2, that's about all you can afford. If you miss more than that, it's almost a sure thing that you're not going to be able to win the car. But you're going to play again, and you may wind up here again,
I hope
in
so.
which case you'll have 40 seconds on the clock. But
That'd
right
be
now,
great.
we are going to take our break. No one asked me to do this, but I know it would please one of our executives if I reminded our viewers and our players here of the great advantages that can accrue by playing and practicing with the classic concentration home game. Both of our contestants are nodding in agreement now. Do you guys work on this at home?
No, I haven't.
No.
So much for the home game. Take a look over here, fellas. We'll show you one of the prizes in game 2.
Sharp's 120-watt per channel stereo rack system with 12-inch 3-way speakers and rear surround sound speakers and 39-key remote control furnished by Sharp. Alex.
I love playing straight man to guys like this. All right, Tony and Bob will show you where you can find the prize on the board. Dead center stereo system, and we have but 1 wild card in this game, but we have a San Diego getaway vacation. Fun
nice.
holiday. And Tony, you get to go first because Bob won the last game.
Yeah, I'm still sizzling. He smoked
Don't
me
be
good.
sizzling.
He smoked me good.
That's all right. You can get him in this game.
Yeah, sure can.
Yeah.
Let's start it off with number 20.
20, good place to begin. Designer pasta products.
Love that pasta. Let's make a match or wild card under 17, please.
17 stereo system. Love that stereo. Bob.
Oh, brain block. Can we have number 13, please?
That's the stereo system.
And the match under number 17.
You got it.
Oh, thank you.
Brain, don't fail me now.
Please, no.
All right, let's take a look. Go again.
Can we look under number 6, please?
Red take.
And let's find the natural match under number 22.
No designer pasta products that Tony really likes.
Really like that stuff. Let's go under number 20 for the pasta. And number 22 for the natural match, please.
You are correct, and you have a match. And you'll get a look at the puzzle. Pick again.
Let's try number 11, please, Alex.
China dinnerware.
Oh, that's awfully nice. Let's go right across the way at number 10 for the match, please.
Gas barbecue.
Oh, gas barbecue would be great down on the beach. Let's see. Number 24, please.
China dinnerware would be great down at the beach, too, and you just saw it.
But it would. Play a little frisbee. No. Was that under number 11, please, I hope?
Yeah.
Oh. Trying to hang.
Yeah, doing well.
Thanks.
Great. Take a look. Go again.
Can we look under number 3, please?
15-piece cookware set at
Would
the
go-
beach. Terrific.
Would go great with all of that.
With a gas barbecue. Ooh.
And let's look under, in the right-hand corner under number 25, please.
Green take. No match. Tony.
I think we saw the green take under 6.
Yeah?
No, red take. Oh, wrong color.
It's all right.
Wrong color. Well, let's mess that up under number 14.
Nope. San Diego getaway. Ooh. Back to Bob.
Ooh, San
Do
Diego.
you live on the beach or something?
I live in San Diego.
The San Diego getaway might not be the greatest prize in your mind.
Well, it might. I'd get away to a different part, I guess.
Sure.
That'd be okay. Yeah.
Take you to the zoo.
Yeah. Let's look, please, under number 23.
Bumper pool table.
Oh, nice. How about in the upper right corner, number 5, please?
200 California lottery tickets. No match there. Tony.
Real nice. Let's go in the middle under number 8, please.
Gas barbecue.
Ooh. And let's see if I can mess that up under number 10.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's it. You've taken away Bob's barbecue. He wanted it, too.
Maybe he'll
Open
get
it
San
up.
Diego getaway.
Yeah.
Oh.
Pick again.
Let's go under number 6. The red take.
You're back there.
Yeah, sure am, aren't I? Let's go above it under number 1.
Oh.
Yes. Yes. Every time Tony makes a good move, Bob gets something in his eye. Have you noticed it? Oh, jeez. Can't get him out of here. It's just a pain in my eye. Stereo system, China dinnerware to go with your gas barbecue.
I think I'll save it for another turn or 2.
Yeah, save it.
Okay, 2 panels swinging open. Here we go. Not yet. Go again.
Let's try up top under number 3.
15-piece cookware set.
Let's go right next to it under number 4.
Custom golf clubs. No match. Bob.
Golf clubs,
no.
come to me. Let's try number 12, please.
Diamond tennis bracelet.
Let's look under number 18, please.
15-piece cookware set. Tony.
The 15-piece cookware set was under number 3, I think.
Yes.
And right underneath it, under 18
That's right.
for the match, Alex.
Got the tape. Want to use the tape?
Let's wait one more turn, see
All
if
right.
I can get another match here.
Okay. Open it up. Select again.
Let's go under lucky number 7, please, Alex.
Bumper pool table.
I think that was down underneath on number 23.
You are correct. Bumper pool table. Now you said you'd wait one more before using the tape.
Let's see if we can get that stereo system.
Want the stereo?
Yeah.
Okay. Stereo system. Take it away from Bob. Give it to Tony. Open it up. Tony's got to win this game. There's a great deal at stake for him.
Ribbing the Widow?
There's a
I don't know. It's a cruel joke, but I don't know.
Folks, under the rules of the game, I must repeat what the contestant says. Is it ribbing the widow? Key. Tony? Is that our bell? No? I'm hearing things also. Strange solutions do things to my brain. Pick again, please.
Sure. Let's try number 16. I don't think we've seen that.
16. 16 is your custom golf.
Oh, yes. And under number 4, please, for the match.
Custom golf club. On over to Tony. Take a look now, Tony. Select again.
Let's go on the corner with number 25, please. Alex.
Green take.
Oh. And let's go right above that at number 19.
Wild card. Comes out of it smelling like a rose again. The other green take is at number 2. Tony's hanging in beautifully. Do you want to grab the China dinnerware while we're here?
Yeah, might as well.
Okay. All righty, open it up. Bob, if he solves it, you've got nothing to lose.
This is true.
Go again.
Let's go under number 9. I don't think we've seen that.
San Diego getaway.
And let's go right underneath it under 14.
San Diego getaway. Well done, Tony. Study the puzzle. Select again. All you have to do is make one match, and you'll clear the board.
Let's go in the corner under 12. I mean, 21. Oh, 12.
No,
I
you
said
said
that. You're
12,
right.
but see, you confused us because in the past you've said corner and then gone to the middle.
Yeah.
So they expected you to go to 12. Diamond tennis bracelet.
Okay, let's see if that's a match under 15. Ooh. And he knows the puzzle, too.
He knows the puzzle, too, and he's going to make these 2 matches. Bob.
Number 5, please. And the match under number 15.
Lottery tickets. Those will be yours. The 12, we'll open those doors. The 12-21 combination will work. The diamond tennis bracelet,
Great.
which you indicated was a great gift, and that is true. And now, as we open the puzzle, open the doors, you get to solve this puzzle.
Is it badgering the witness?
Badgering the witness, looks like it.
All right.
Bob May is a giant killer, folks.
Thanks.
Hey,
Let's go to the board, Bob.
I saw it early, but I couldn't get in. I was lucky. There's a badge right here. The earring, badge earring, the W, plus the hit, plus Ness, Elliot Ness, badgering the witness.
Good solution. Congratulations. Tony, ordinarily in this situation, I'd feel really sad for the player we have to say goodbye to, but in your case, you now have 2 strikes against you, and that's the bad news. The good news is New Orleans,
Lost
a
to an
Caribbean
excellent
cruise, a Catskills mountain resort vacation, a holiday in Jamaica, all kinds of other prizes totaling almost $22,000. The only thing you didn't win is the car. You got everything else, Tony. Take care.
Thank you very much.
So long. Bob?
Man, he was great.
He was indeed, and he'd have been almost a sure thing to win the car next time out because he'd have had almost a minute. You're going to have 40 seconds, but first, let's hear about your winnings.
200 California lottery tickets and a diamond tennis bracelet. A fashionable 14-karat gold tennis bracelet with 62 round diamonds, each hand set in 4 prongs. 1 carat total weight from the Michael C. Fina Company.
And will this man win a brand new car? We'll all find out after these commercial messages. Bob doesn't want to waste any time. He wants to win a brand new car. So here we go. 15 numbered squares, 40 seconds on your clock. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 3,
No.
4, 6,
No.
7, 9,
No.
3, 9.
Right.
10, 5,
No.
6, 12,
No.
5, 11,
No.
13, 14,
Yes.
15, 5,
No.
6, 15,
Right.
7, 10,
No.
11, 1,
Yes.
2, 8.
Yes. 4. All right, you did much better this time. Yet here again, you'll have 45 seconds on the clock. You've got $1,460 in prizes, and you didn't win the San Diego getaway. We'll be back. Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive Ricardo Beverly Hills Rodeo Drive 2 Collection, fully lined, lightweight, bright and cheerful luggage, high-density nylon construction, weekend or around-the-world trips, furnished by Ricardo Beverly Hills. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
See you all next time.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.